Hi Big Valley, welcome back. Selling at an auction is fast, efficient, and gets your car in front of serious buyers, but sometimes the vehicle runs through the lane and nothing. No bids, no sales. What went wrong? Today we'll cover the most common reasons why cars don't sell at an auction, and more importantly, how we can fix them. First, let's break it down why your vehicle might have gone unsold. Pricing too high. If your reserve price is set too high, buyers will move on. Auctions thrive on competitive pricing. Condition issues. Buyers inspect cars closely. Visible damage, interior wear, or mechanical concerns can scare them off. Poor listing and lack of photos. If your car is selling online as well, bad photos and lack of information can reduce interest. Wrong vehicle for the market. Some cars perform better at certain auctions. A high-minded sedan may struggle at a high-end auction. No bidding action. If buyers see no one else bidding, they may hesitate to start. So, how do we fix this? Today, I'll be showing you how to do that. How to adjust pricing and presentation. Let's talk about pricing first. Check recent sales data and see what similar cars are actually selling for. Be competitive, be realistic. If your car didn't sell, consider lowering the prices. Next, presentation. First impressions matter. A quick detailing job, fixing minor details, and ensuring your vehicle is clean can be a huge difference. Buyers are more likely to bid on a car that looks well cared for. If your car didn't sell the first time, don't panic. Adjust your pricing, improve presentation, and provide better documentation. These small changes can make a lot of difference. Want more auction tips? Call us at 956-461-9000 or visit our website, bigvalleyaa.com. And remember, subscribe for more insider knowledge. And remember, here at Big Valley, we're driving excellence, helping you succeed one vehicle at a time, because when you're here, you're family.